What we have here is a Yamaha Kodiak 450, and what we are going to do is mount a 2-inch receiver hitch where the original, I don't even know what it is, tow bar I guess you'd call it, from the factory was installed. Now I have purchased the factory receiver hitch to go in there. And it looks like a pretty simple swap, really, so we'll kind of go step by step. We'll follow the Yamaha factory instructions, and we have a receiver hitch there. I'm not sure which direction it goes, but we'll figure it out. And we will mount it up. Alright, what I pull out of the box, when I empty the box, is I pull out the new receiver hitch and 4 bolts, and an instruction paper that was purchased separate. This mounts to these 2 bolts right here and here and here. So these will come out and this will go away. And then this will bolt up in this manner and we'll be good to go. So what we have is a, let me see, well, I'm using 9/16. That's probably metric, so I don't know where my metric wrenches are, but I've got a 9/16 that fits just about right, and I'm going to use it. So I will unwrench those bolts, and we'll go from there. Oh, just a note, while we're here, we're working, any electricity we have today over here is courtesy of the sun. We're in the off-grid garage. This is my new off-grid garage. We are completely off the grid in this property, and the garage is still under construction, but you'll see more of this garage. We have a U-Trax trailer over there. Will be another project coming right up, which is one reason that we're getting this receiver hitch put on. So let me take this off and we'll go from there. At this point, I pulled these 2 bolts out of here, and this came right off, and so we'll put that aside. We'll store that for future. All right, this is going to fit right up in here, just about like that. Now, okay, I've struggled to get the bolts started, but they're in there. I've got all 4 bolts in there at this point. I haven't yet tightened it up. I'll do that in a minute. And then we'll put our receiver in, and we'll go from there. Alright, at this point, I've tightened the 4 bolts up. Everything's rugged. Let's see how this fits. I've turned this way because I don't want it. I don't want anything lower if I can help it. So we're going to put our ball up like this and slide the pin through. Put it on our clip. Whoop. We can get it on that. Put it on our clip like that. And I think we're good to go. I don't know why not. Let's go have fun. Look for assembly and review of the U-Trax TX159 4-wheel trailer coming up. ATV trailer, around the house trailer, whatever you want to call it, a work trailer. This goes along with my Kodiak 450 that just received that receiver hitch. So the idea is to tow this trailer, and I also have a jet ski trailer and a few other odds and ends I want to tow. So, but this will be a project coming up, and you can look for this on my YouTube, Around the House with Russ, and our brand new off-grid garage where all the electricity is provided by off-the-grid solar. You have a nice day.